Today, come with me for a first look at our new factory in Jiangsu. This factory will soon be ready for bulk bearing production. Now, we are entering the gate. In front of us, you can see the office area. Let's turn left and go directly to the production area. The first production step is material preparation. This area will be used for receiving, storing, and preparing bearing materials before production. Before entering the production lines, we need to pass through the air shower room. Now, we are inside the production workshop. It is very spacious and will be able to support many production lines in the future. Some machines are already here and will be installed soon. Most production lines are still under preparation, but one deep groove ball bearing production line has already started trial production. This is the deep groove ball bearing production line. After production, the bearings will be sent to the inspection and preparation area. This area will also be used for packaging before shipment. Although our new factory is not fully ready yet, it will soon work together with our Shandong factory to support bulk bearing orders and serve our customers better. Contact BKZ Industry for standard bearings, custom bearings, and bulk bearing orders.